Welcome to my channel, Amazon Top Picks. Let me introduce Google Pixel 6, 256GB Stormy Black. Key features. The unlocked Google Pixel 6 boasts a sleek matte stormy black finish with IP68 water toss dust resistance. Its 6.4-inch 90Hz OLED display delivers vibrant colors and smooth scrolling at 1080x2400 resolution. Powered by the custom Google Tensor chip and 8GB RAM, it handles multitasking fluidly alongside 256GB storage. The star is its camera, 50MP wide, plus 12MP ultra-wide lenses excel in computational photography, magic eraser, real tone, night sight, producing pro-level shots. A 46 Fort mAh battery supports all-day use with 21W wired ears tap 3W wireless charging, plus 5G, Wi-Fi 6E, and pure Android, up to updates through October 2026. Pros: unrivaled camera quality persists in 2025, capturing stunning low light and portraits. Pure Android offers bloat-free speed, exclusive AI like Live Translate, and timely patches. Battery holds strong, 7 9HR's SOT. Display shines and premium build feels modern at budget prices, $200–300 used. Reliable for daily tasks, browsing, and social media. Cons: in-display fingerprint scanner is finicky, often failing on dry fingers. Tensor trails Snapdragon and gaming jock raw power, causing occasional heat chart lag. Modem glitches persist, weak signal. The battery may swell after 3+ years, needing replacement, and the telephoto lens limits zoom. In 2025, it feels dated for power users. Verdict: ideal for photography enthusiasts seeking value. Pros dominate for casual use, but skip if prioritizing speed or longevity beyond 2026. Thanks for watching. To purchase the item, simply click the link below. If you enjoy our channel, please subscribe now. You will not miss any future videos.